Hello everyone and welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about some words those look like similar in Hindi. Okay, hopefully you are well. So now let's start it here. Today we will learn about some words which we use in a Hindi, like कौन 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 एंड कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन कहाँ कहाँ एंड कब कब एंड यस कौन कौन कहाँ कहाँ कब कब, लाइक कौन कौन लोग आ रहे हैं, तुम लोग कहाँ कहाँ जाओगे, वो लोग कब कब आने आने वाले हैं. Okay, so here we have to learn some sentences related to these kind of words. Okay, so how can we use this kind of word in a in English sentence? Okay, but in Hindi we have to use कौन कहाँ कहाँ कब कब, but in English we have to use not like that. Okay, so today we learn about how can we use this kind of word in English. Okay, so let's get started here. So my next sentence, first I will speak in a Hindi, then we will translate in English. Okay, like first I'm writing here. तुम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने गए थे, लाइक तुम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने गए थे. That's mean there is a talking about past. Okay, and someone is asking where, I will translate. Okay, in English, तुम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने गए थे. This is a sentence about this sentence related to past. So here we have to use like kahan. First we have to use question word. Where is the question word? Question word is that kahan. So kahan we have to translate in English. There should be where. WHERE, where. Okay. So kahan that means we have to use all. Where all. And the sentence was past, so where we have to use form of second. So there would be did. There would be did. Where all did you go? You go? Question mark. So I am explaining again. My sentence was तुम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने गए थे. That means that the sentence is talking about past. So we have to use question word. So question word is कहाँ कहाँ कहाँ. So we have to use where and कहाँ again the word. This is a multiple time. No, this is a two time repeated word. So we have to use next kaha. We have to use all. Where all, and the sentence was talking about past. So we have to use the, like we have to use did. What all did you go? What all did you go? You have to use speak 5 times. Everyone speak after me. Where all did you go? 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 Okay, everyone come on the next sentence. Next sentence would be, hopefully you are getting well. Okay, everyone come on the second question, like second sentence. Second sentence would be, I am taking red one. So the second question would be, everyone look on your screen. तुम कब कब तुम कब कब स्कूल जाती हो. So here question word we have to use at the end question mark as well. So there is a cub. Okay, so first we have to use cub. We have to use cub for when. I am taking a black one. So when, that means cub, and again the cub we have to use all. When all, the sentence talking about present, not past. So here we have to use do. When do you, and the form of jati, that means there is a verb of first. Okay, so we have to use first form like go. Jati, that means go to school. At the end question mark as well we have to use. So what is our question, what is our sentence? Sentence was तुम कब स्कूल जाती हो. So here we have to use कब like when, and the next कब you have to use all like, and the sentence talking about present we have to use do, and you is a subject, and go is a verb, and to is a preposition, and object is a school. Okay, so everyone we have to describe like तुम कब स्कूल जाती हो, that means when all do you go to school. When all do you go to school. Everyone speak after me 5 times. We have to repeat 5 times here. That means our word will be habitual English words. So everyone speak after me. Let's start it. Let's start. When all do you go to school. When all do you go to school. When all do you go 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 school. These hopefully you are doing well. Everyone come on the next sentence. We have to use all here only. This is a like, this is a form of present indefinite tense, but we have to use add here all. Okay, everyone come on the next and the last sentence. The last sentence would be everyone look on. I am taking red one. Yes, there is a red one. Next sentence would be तुम कहाँ, there is चंद्र बिंदु. Okay, कहाँ, I am writing here. तुम कहाँ जाओगी और जाओगे. ओके, तुम कहाँ आई एम टेकिंग वाइट वन. यस, तुम कहाँ जाओगी. and the question word तुम कहाँ जाओगी, that means if someone going to somewhere like any side place, so we have to use this kind of word and we can ask them. Okay, this kind of sentence. So how can we translate it in English? So we have to learn about English. So everyone come on here. So everyone come on this translate. So we first we have to use kahan like where. I'm taking new one. Yes, WHERE, where. Okay, and the next where we have to use all. Where all. This is a future sentence. We have to use will. Yes. Where all will you go? At the end, question mark. Where all will you go? Okay, everyone speak 5 times after me. Let's start. Where all will you go? This is a simple future. We have to use only all after where. Okay, and before will. So everyone, come on. Everyone speak after me. Where all will you go? 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 So hopefully you are getting well, and I will meet you in the next series, in the next topic, same place and the same time, but next and different topic. So I will meet you. Take care. Bye. God bless you all.